Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Whatever Happened to the Harappan Civilization. First 27 to 31 questions are to find out the paragraph from which these statements have been taken. First statement is, proposed explanations for the decline of the Harappan civilization, हड़प्पा सभ्यता के पतन के लिए प्रस्तावित व्याख्याएं. Let's see in the paragraph. Some have claimed that major glacier-fed rivers changed their course, dramatically affecting the water supply and agriculture, or that the cities could not cope with an increasing population, their resource base, the trading economy broke down, or they succumbed to invasion and conflict. So its answer is, paragraph C. Next statement is, reference to a present-day application of some archaeological research findings, पुरातात्विक अनुसंधान निष्कर्षों के कुछ वर्तमान उपयोगों का संदर्भ. Let's see in the paragraph, by investigating responses to environmental pressures and threats, we can learn from the past. So its answer is, paragraph H. Next statement is, a difference between the Harappan civilization and another culture of the same period. हड़प्पा सभ्यता और उसी काल की एक अन्य संस्कृति के बीच एक महत्वपूर्ण अंतर. Let's see in the paragraph. The Harappan civilization was a sophisticated Bronze Age society who built megacities and traded internationally in luxury craft products, and yet seemed to have left almost no depictions of themselves, but their lack of self-imagery at a time when the Egyptians were carving and painting representations of themselves all over their temples. So its answer is, paragraph A. Next statement is, a description of some features of Harappan urban design, हड़प्पा नगर नियोजन की कुछ विशेषताओं का वर्णन. Let's see in the paragraph. As population increased, cities were built that had great baths, craft workshops, palaces and halls laid out in distinct sectors. Houses were arranged in blocks, with wide main streets and narrow alleyways, and many had their own wells and drainage systems. So its answer is, paragraph B. Next statement is, reference to the discovery of errors made by previous archaeologists, पिछले पुरातत्वविदों द्वारा की गई त्रुटियों की खोज का संदर्भ. Let's see in the paragraph. When they carried out a survey of how the larger area was settled in relation to sources of water, they found inaccuracies in the published geographic locations of ancient settlements ranging from several hundred meters to many kilometers. So its answer is, paragraph D. Next 32 to 36 questions are to complete the summary. This summary is about evidence of climate change. First question is, Yama Dixit and David Hodel have found the first definitive evidence of climate change affecting the plains of northwestern India thousands of years ago. By collecting the something of snails and analyzing them, यामा दीक्षित और डेविड होडेल ने हजारों वर्ष पहले उत्तर पश्चिम भारत के मैदानों को प्रभावित करने वाले जलवायु परिवर्तन के पहले ठोस प्रमाण पाए हैं. उन्होंने घोंघों के कुछ को इकट्ठा कर उनका विश्लेषण करके यह निष्कर्ष निकाला. Let's see in the paragraph. The researchers gathered shells of Melanoides tuberculata snails from the sediments of an ancient lake and used geochemical analysis as a means of tracing the climate history of the region. So its answer is shells. Next question is, they discovered evidence of a change in water levels in a something in the region. उन्होंने क्षेत्र में किसी चीज में जल स्तर में परिवर्तन के साक्ष्य खोजे. Let's see in the paragraph. As today, the major source of water into the lake is likely to have been the summer monsoon. So its answer is, lake. Next question is, this occurred when there was less something than evaporation and suggests that there was an extended period of drought. ये तब हुआ जब वाष्पीकरण की तुलना में कुछ कम था, और ये दर्शाता है कि वहाँ लंबे समय तक सूखा पड़ा था. Let's see in the paragraph. But we have observed that there was an abrupt change about 4100 years ago, when the amount of evaporation from the lake exceeded the rainfall, indicative of a drought. So its answer is, rainfall. Next question is, Petrie and Singh's team are using archaeological records to look at something from 5 millennia ago, in order to know whether people had adapted their agricultural practices to changing climate conditions. पेट्री और सिंह की टीम 5000 साल पहले की किसी चीज को समझने के लिए पुरातात्विक अभिलेखों का उपयोग कर रही है, ताकि यह पता चल सके कि क्या लोगों ने बदलती जलवायु परिस्थितियों के अनुसार अपनी कृषि पद्धतियों को अनुकूलित किया था। Let's see in the paragraph. Petrie and Singh's team is now examining archaeological records and trying to understand details of how people led their lives in the region 5 millennia ago. They are analyzing grains cultivated at the time and trying to work out whether they were grown under extreme conditions of water stress and whether they were adjusting the combinations of crops they were growing for different weather systems. So its answer is grains. Next question is, they are also examining objects including something. So as to find out about links between inhabitants of different parts of the region and whether these change over time. वे वस्तुओं की जांच भी कर रहे हैं जिनमें कुछ चीजें शामिल हैं, ताकि यह पता लगाया जा सके कि क्षेत्र के विभिन्न हिस्सों के निवासियों के बीच क्या संबंध थे और क्या ये समय के साथ बदल गए थे. Let's see in the paragraph. They are also looking at whether the types of pottery used and other aspects of their material culture were distinctive to specific regions or were more similar across larger areas. So its answer is pottery. Next 37 to 40 questions are to match the statements with researcher's name. First statement is, finding further information about changes to environmental conditions in the region is vital. क्षेत्र में पर्यावरणीय परिस्थितियों में हुए परिवर्तनों के बारे में और जानकारी प्राप्त करना अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है. Let's see in the paragraph. Considering the vast area of the Harappan civilization with its variable weather systems, explains Singh. So its answer is Ravindranath Singh. Next statement is, examining previous patterns of behavior may have long-term benefits. पूर्व व्यवहार के पैटर्न की जांच करना दीर्घकालिक लाभ प्रदान कर सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Petrie believes that archaeologists are in a unique position to investigate how past societies responded to environmental and climatic change. By investigating responses to environmental pressures and threats, we can learn from the past to engage with the public. So its answer is Cameron Petrie. Next question is, rough calculations indicate the approximate length of a period of water shortage. सांकेतिक गणनाएं जल संकट की अवधि की अनुमानित लंबाई को दर्शाती हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. But we have observed that there was an abrupt change about 4100 years ago when the amount of evaporation from the lake exceeded the rainfall indicative of a drought. Hodel adds. So its answer is David Hodel. Next question is, information about the decline of the Harappan civilization has been lacking. हड़प्पा सभ्यता के पतन के बारे में जानकारी की कमी रही है. Let's see in the paragraph. There is plenty of archaeological evidence to tell us about the rise of the Harappan civilization but relatively little about its fall, explains archaeologist Dr. Cameron Petrie. So its answer is Cameron Petrie. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.